Hi there, students. Horrendous, horrendous, an adjective. Horrendously, the adverb. Horrendousness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if you describe something as horrendous, you're saying it's extremely unpleasant, extremely bad. So, a horrendous crime. The weather conditions were horrendous. It was a horrendous experience, horrible and upsetting. I made a horrendous mistake. I made a terrible mistake. It was a horrendous situation. I didn't know what to do. Yeah. When I came home, the traffic was horrendous. It was really unpleasant. It was shocking. Yeah, it was appalling. So something that's horrendous is really, really bad. Conditions on board the ship were horrendous. They made some horrendous mistakes, and that's why the company made some horrendous losses. Atrocious, frightful, yeah, terrible, dire, abysmal. Okay, this caused horrendous suffering for innocent families. Okay, this was horrendously bad. The situation was horrendously difficult. If something's horrendous, it's so bad that it's shocking. Yeah, you're shocked because it's so bad. I mean, you see things that are bad, but sometimes you see things that are shockingly bad. Yeah, it's not just bad, it's bad. And that's the idea of horrendous, extremely unpleasant. Okay, we lost a horrendous amount of money. The amount of plastic in our oceans is horrendous, and it's increasing horrendously rapidly. Okay, a horrendously rapid increase. Okay, so horrendous, awful, extremely bad, terrible. Yeah, I like using this word horrendous to refer to the traffic. The traffic was absolutely horrendous. Yeah, it was horrible, it was horrid, it was horrific, it was horrifying. Yeah, it was horrendous. It was absolutely dreadful. He told me a horrendous story about his childhood. We're always reading about horrendous crimes that have been committed. They are. This crime was horrendously gory. It was horrible. Yeah, it was really dreadful, frightening, terrible, horrific. Yeah. He had spent a lot of money decorating his house, but the effect at the end was horrendous. It was really ugly. Yeah, it was appalling. It was really bad. Yes, the company was losing money, and it racked up some horrendous debts. It was horrendously in debt. That's because the company had suffered horrendous losses. Okay, this was a horrendous situation. Yeah, the horrendous images that we see on the television. Okay, horrendous, really, really bad, dreadful, extremely unpleasant. Okay, let's see. Formality, horrendous. 5 in formality, used absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, well, there's a Latin word or a Latin adjective, horrendous, meaning horrible or horrendous. But this itself comes from the verb horreo or horreo, to frighten, to stand on end, literally to make your hair stand on end, to make your hair bristle. Okay, so I think that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, I hope it wasn't horrendous, subscribe to the channel. Well, I got it the wrong way around, haven't I? Give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Horrendous.